hear it all the time. I'm just not getting results fast enough.
Your mom waited 9 months to have you. Give it some time. Be patient. Your mom was patient.
Okay, I feel like that's what the bestie would say. All right.
Okay, but that is what I would tell you if you were my bestie.
Okay, yes.
But we're going to approach this in a logical fashion.
Listen.
With two sides of the coin. And I'm a Gemini, so it makes perfect sense.
As your coach, as your personal trainer, as somebody that wants to help you get you to your results, I'm also going to give you a little bit of truth bombs, okay? Anything worth the results takes time to get there, okay? So I know you want your results yesterday, last year, 15 years ago, but there's a lot of things that are kind of go into this to make it sustainable and not just I lost 30 pounds and then I gained 50 back.
Exactly. And there's a lot you have to think about, right? Are you truly in a calorie deficit if you're trying to lose weight? If that's your goal.
If you're eating out on the weekends, I'm going to say probably not.
Are you consuming lots of bites, licks, tastes, sips, snacksidents?
Yeah.
Normally, you got to be really honest with yourself, right? And I think people are in denial about that sometimes because I'm people. I did that.
I mean, the thing is I think we get a little bit too into it. What if you just do it because it makes you feel good?
Precisely.
Think
about all the other amazing benefits that you receive from investing in your body.
Stop chasing the goal and enjoy the process, okay?
Enjoying the process. Even the stuff that's not so fun, make it fun. What do you do to pair fun with your workouts? You listen to great music.
Yeah.
If I don't have music, I will leave. Right? Or we always have it's very dramatic. No, but we always have 3 backup pairs of headphones that we can get in an emergency.
Yes.
Because yes, working out is great, but sometimes it doesn't feel good. And I, would rather be doing 100 other things, but I know how good I feel when I'm done.
Right. I feel like what it does is it just kind of makes it worth it a little bit.
Yeah.
Right. If you're not going to work for something, why would you want it? Right. If it was fast and it was easy, we'd already know how to do it.
And to your point, when you invest in it, you're committed to that process and being proud about it. So think about doing it for how it makes you feel in the process, after the process, and be less focused on the moment right now when you step on the scale.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Nope. And that's what I would tell my bestie. Bitch, how long have you been unhappy?
How long have you been doing this asshole shit?
Exactly.
It's gonna take some time. You didn't put it on in 3 months, and you're not gonna take it off in 3 months.
So you got to keep doing the things, walking the talk, showing up, doing the work, even when you don't want to. And stay out of your feelings as much as you can.
Yeah.
Go to the gym to work through your feelings if you need to, right? We go when we're sad. We go when we're mad.
Yes.
Glad.
Happy.
Neutral.
Yes.
All the things. Not just when we feel like it, or we would never go. I mean, let's be real. I went almost an entire month and not in the gym, and it's really a thing. It messes with your head a little bit for me personally. And it has nothing to do with the physical piece. It's more the mental piece of it and just keeping your body sharp and ready and energized and all the things. And you definitely feel it without the exercise. So moral of the story, we got to wrap it up. Let's tie it up. Let's tie it up with a bow.
Go.
Bring it back, sister. Bring it back. Be prepared for a long ride. Okay. Strap in and be prepared for a long ride, because anything you want and what is worth having is going to take some time and effort and diligence with that. And if you can just be honest with yourself and just be like, bitch, we're going to do this shit, even if it sucks, it's fine. And you'll love it and you'll be happier for it.
Your results will come if you do the work, y'all.
Okay.
So don't worry about getting them fast. Just continue to do the things.
She's much nicer than I am. But we love you. And that is why we are so aggressive. Because it's like talking to our old selves.
Yeah.
And I look back at my old self a lot and I'm like thinking, what the hell? So much lies in the youth that got bypassed, right? And so it's important to just pass it down to people in a sense of like, there is no determined amount of time that you're going to be here on this earth, not to get deep, but you don't know. And I hate to be like, live every day like it's your last, but you have to think about your future that way.
Learn to love the things that are good for you, you guys. If it's training, great. If it's boot camp, great. We just want you to move your body, continue to do the healthy things, learn, grow, and just really live in your goals.
And that is a wrap. We love you and we hope to see you on the next episode.